In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Calendly API key, a must-have step if you're looking to integrate Calendly with other tools or automate your scheduling. So let's dive right in. To begin, head over to the Calendly website. Once you're there, take note of the top right corner of the page. You'll see the Hall Login button. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll notice a few different login options. The quickest and most straightforward method is to click Continue with Google. Choose the Google account that's linked to your Calendly, grant the necessary permissions, and just like that, you're logged in instantly. Easy, right? With access to your dashboard, we're going to navigate over to Past Integrations and Apps. This is your hub for all things integration. It's essentially where all the magic of connecting various tools to Calendly happens. In the search bar located here, type in To API. You should see an option titled To API and Webhooks. This is exactly where we need to be, so go ahead and click on that. You're now one small step away from obtaining your API key. Look for the button that says Ciao, get a token now. Calendly might prompt you for confirmation. Don't worry, just click Continue. Next, you'll need to name your API key. Choose a name that's clear and descriptive so you'll recognize it easily later on. This step is crucial as it'll help you keep things organized, especially if you plan to generate more API keys in the future. Once you've named your API key, simply click Create Token. And there you have it. Congratulations, you've got your Calendly API key. Now remember, this key is essential as it grants access to your Calendly account, so make sure to copy it and store it somewhere secure. Be cautious not to share it publicly to avoid unauthorized access. Let's quickly recap the steps we've covered. You logged into Calendly, preferably using Google for ease, then navigated to Integrations and Apps, searched for API, selected API and webhooks, clicked Get Token Now, named your token, and finally created it. Pretty straightforward, right? And that's everything. You're now equipped with full access to Calendly's API key. This opens up a world of possibilities for automating your meetings, syncing with CRMs, and integrating Calendly with a wide array of tools. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more step-by-step tutorials like this one. Until next time.